Morning, my dudes. This morning, I wanted to introduce something. I don't know if you guys will find this interesting or not, but so about a year ago, I got really interested in lockpicking. Welcome to the channel. You're watching Smart Spark from deep in the heart of Sather Leone. We keep it real, we keep it simple. You can't help but say, holy shit. Shit's amazing. I've always been interested in computer security, network security, and physical security too, but I'd never dug into lockpicking. Anyway, I took the time and I made this kit. This is 100% built out of windshield wiper blades. And so today, I want to open this case. I have the key, but I thought this would make a perfect video. And it's been a minute. It's been several months since I've even played with this thing, so I thought it'd be an excellent time to try it. So this one right here is perfect to fit in there. And I want to use this little guy right here. This is one of my favorites. So I'm going to try this guy right here. And if that doesn't work, then I'm going to try this guy right here. And if that doesn't work, then I'll probably resort to the most basic one ever. So, I mean, I might not even get this. Who knows? Guess we'll find out in a second here. Let's start with this one first. Holy shit. Well, that was easy. Okay. That was luck. Anyway, guys. Total luck. I mean, locks only keep honest people honest. That's what they say. I never understood that until I started messing with this. So, that was luck of the draw. I'll do another one at some point here. I don't want to make myself look too damn good. But, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I have a couple PDFs of some templates that I used, and what I did was so there's different size windshield wiper blades. So you take a windshield wiper blade and you rip the little rubbery part off of it, and there's some thin wire strips, yay long, right? There's different sizes, different thicknesses. Anyway, the ones I found were this size right here. And what I did was I took this template, and it's on a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and I printed it off. I printed off like 5 or 6 of them. And then I took some glue, and I took some scissors, and I cut it out, and then I took a Dremel tool, and I cut each pick out from this normal size, and I went through real carefully, and I cut each one out. And then I took a little, not a sander necessarily, but you know, like a wire wheel, and a file. And I cleaned the edges up real carefully. And anyway, I mean, you can see on here, I've still got some of the templates still glued to it. It hasn't come off. Now, I've actually got a really, really nice set that's similar to this. But to be honest, I like this one better. It works better. If you like this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe. Please. I need some subscribers, guys. I need 35,000 of you. I mean, there's billions of you out there. I just need 35,000. So help me out. Do me a solid. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Have a great day, guys.